Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 20008, and this is the BrickMaster Creator tow truck. And this is one of the ones that's the kind of bigger Polybag. And this one, as you can see, has 79 pieces. So it's a little bigger than the average Polybag, I guess. And it's kind of cool looking, I think, so far. Anyway, while I am taking this out of the bag, if you enjoy this kind of thing, please think about subscribing, because I'm planning on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've done one of these a day, every day, for the last, I don't know, it might be almost 6 months now? Maybe 5.5 months. Anyway, the point is there's a bunch of these out there and available if you are interested. So, anyway, my point is, if you like this kind of thing, think about subscribing, because there's more of them available and more on the way. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on BrickLink. And I've also included the brick set link if you just want to find out general information about it. Now, this is one thing that's kind of cool. This is a 6-wheeled vehicle instead of the normal 4-wheeled vehicles that we get with polybags most times, which is kind of exciting. So, these BrickMaster sets, I think they came with the BrickMaster magazine. Does that sound right? This is from 2009, it looks like. You can see the... Maybe you can see that? Yeah, from 2009. So, they're not super difficult to find if you're interested in these sets, and there's some really cool ones out there. I have what is it? There's like a Star Wars AT-AT. I got that one coming up before too long. That's on the list of things to put together. And there's a Slave 1 that I think I already did. I already did the Slave 1 and like Boba Fett ship. And there's I want to say there's 18 or 21 of the BrickMaster sets. There's a number of them. Alright, so let's slide all this stuff out of the way, and we'll get to putting things together. One of the interesting things about this is normally the polybags kind of just have the little folding pamphlet thing, and this one you get a full-fledged booklet out of the deal. So while I'm thinking about this, I had a question I wanted to ask y'all. What is your favorite polybag that you've run across so far? Or even your favorite couple? Because I'm curious about that, and I've been trying to figure out which ones are my favorites, of the ones I've done so far. And there's ones I've really liked. And I've liked the ships, a lot of the little micro builds of the ships. I've enjoyed the micro builds of the cars, the vehicles, and a couple of the city builds. I was surprised at how much I enjoyed some of them. So I mean, there's a decent number of, there's plenty of variety out there, and I'm just curious, what do y'all think? What are your favorites? What are the ones that you have enjoyed the most? And I guess as a part 2 to that, what's your favorite small set? One of the sets that's in the under $10 range. Cause I got some of the, there's a series of, crap, what's the name of the series now? I'm blanking out on the name of it. But it's like a series of cars they did. and that looks kind of interesting. I got some of those to try. So those will be coming up before too long too. This book is like, it's like getting in my way, but not in a good way. I keep trying to get it so the book is on camera so y'all can see it, and still manage the pieces off to the side, but I feel like I'm pretty much failing at every aspect of all of that. Alright. So for these, what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to put together 2 of these. So these line up with this top part right here. That's going to look really cool, I think. That's a neat effect. It kind of gives you the effect of like the exhaust pipes. I like that. That's a neat idea. It's a nice touch. Alright. That takes care of that. And then we got the 2. Okay, this is really cool. They've done some interesting things with the way they've chosen to use the pieces. Chosen. Yeah, that's right. Chosen. Alright, so we got these. That's really cool. And now, alright. So these line up. That red one goes to the front. So that goes there. And then we got 2 of these. See that though? Like that's a neat way to use those pieces. I like that. I like that a lot. Speaking of favorite sets, this one is kind of a front runner already. And so we're going to use a couple of 1x4s here and here, like so. That takes care of that. And then it goes on top of that, right there, like so. Alright. I'll put these sort of in the front now. This goes here, like that. And then one of the gray 1x2s. That. Or is it? I guess it's supposed to be another black one. Another black 1x2. And 1x2 there, and 1x2 there. Alright. And, oh no, that should not be there. That should be something totally different. That should be this thing right here. Like so. Aha! I almost screwed that one up. I'm glad I caught it. Alright. So next, we put the front on. So this goes here. And then we have a couple of these. One there. And one here. And this sits on the front, right there like that. Alright. And then, okay. So the 1x3s go on like right here. Like that. And like so. And then you gotta make sure I didn't miss something on that previous page. No, okay, I guess not. See right there? Y'all can see that? There's like a little gap in there. And alright, something is off. Okay, so I got that and that. So yeah, that looks right. Okay, now we can flip back here. So 1x4 goes here. That's super weird. Because y'all can see there's a gap right there. Okay. And so that takes care of that. And then we got the hood. And we are also making the little connector thing. Now we got this. And this. And then I got that. So this connects to here. So I got that. Got all that stuff taken care of. And then we got to make the end piece. So, and like so. Oh, like so. So that connects here. So this is going to be our tow truck thing. Oops. This is going to be our tow truck thing. Like so. Alright. Got that taken care of. And then, wow, before I forget, this goes here. Like so. And then that goes, oops, doesn't go there yet. This goes here first. And now this goes here. And these two go here. Like so. And like so. Let's carry that. I knew this was coming. So this goes here, and this goes here. And then we got to make our headlights. So red, clear, red and clear, and yellow. And let's line them up so they're kind of straight. And this fits underneath right here. And red and clear and yellow. Once again. Like so. And this one pops down here as well. Although, ooh, those are not smooth. Those are not straight, are they? Let's see. Just this one a little bit this way. This one a little bit this way. It's straight. The top one doesn't want to be straight. There it is. There you go. That's a little. That is like tough to get lined up right. That should be not even remotely straight. Okay, hold on. Alright. That seems still not that close, but maybe if I push it in there, and then we try to press it even here. That's a little better, yeah. That's somewhat better. Alright. So we took care of that. And now we gotta add the wheels. Well, we'll add the wheels in a minute. So that's that part. And then the wheels in a moment. Now we gotta do the front grille. Alright, so for the front grille, what we got is like so, and like so, and like so. And then for this one, this is pretty neat actually. I like what they did with it. The only thing that I'm not a huge fan of is those the little light things that I'm so obviously unable to get to line up the way I'm happy with. Alright, so this goes on the front right here, like so. That looks really good for the front of a truck, doesn't it? And so these are extra pieces, and it makes me nervous that I have these 3 gray ones, because I feel like there should be, I missed putting in 2 gray ones. Let's double check and make sure I didn't miss some somewhere real quick. I guess not. Oh, I see where I missed it. Y'all see where I missed it too, right? Right there. Let's fix that real quick. Easy fix. Alright, so it's a good rule of thumb that if you ever end up with like some even number of pieces, like an even number plus 1 of pieces, then you probably missed something. Alright, so let's pop this thing on right here. There's that. And then this one goes on there. And then we just pop on the wheels. I gotta say, I like this one. This is a cool one. The only complaint, well, my complaints are, I don't like the whole, this little 3 1x1 thing here. I feel like there should be a better way to do it. And I feel like you need to have something on the roof better. But aside from that, that's really cool. I like it. That's definitely a neat one. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments, and also let me know which ones have been your favorite polybags so far, or which ones have you liked that I haven't done. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.